Hey, it's Grace with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I'm here to speak with you about digital dentures. So with regular dentures, this process takes so much more time, and as we know, the patients can be difficult. But with digital dentures, it's so much faster, and it's the same on your end with sending us those physical impressions. So get us those records, we'll send you over that bite room, and make sure to take your time on those markings of the midline, the high smile lines, and the cuspid lines. We also need a full face, full smile photo with that bite room. And then we can get straight to the final. Yes, that's it. It's so easy and quick. It might sound scary, but it's so accurate as long as those markings are good on the bite rim and we have a great picture. If you or your patient are unsatisfied with the finals, we can easily do a reverse reset, meaning we can go back and reset for just one small charge. But if your patient is still unsatisfied, we can do as many reverse resets as you need with no additional charge. That's right, for free. The amazing thing about digital dentures is it saves so much time, and if your patient were to lose or break their denture, we can easily print a new one because we have those records saved. To learn more, go to rodentallab.com/impact and get all the information you need to get started with us and digital dentures. Thanks.